We need water. Let's go to the pond.
Let's go.
Look at these two playing.
And learning.
Introducing Plugo Farm by PlayShifu. Discover the joy of building and running your dream farm. Take care of your animals, stock up on produce, and keep your customers happy.
They're in the living room playing Plugo Farm.
Develop 21st century skills with Plugo Farm.
Thank you for taking care of me. Here are some eggs.
Thanks. We're at the farmer's market.
Makes a moolah. Another happy customer.
Happy birthday, kiddo.
Plugo Farm?
Come build your dream farm today. With love, from your friends at PlayShifu.